Hi, everybody. It is officially winter. It's day 23 of the countdown. The ornament I decided to make today is an elf. Here's the example. And here is what I made. So here we go. Googly eyes again, guys. But this is my little elf. I think it's so cute. My movie suggestion for the day is The Preacher's Wife. It's one of my favorite soundtracks actually ever. When I was a kid, I think my uncle bought it and then he let us borrow it. And I don't think we ever gave it back. And my song suggestion is actually not from the soundtrack, is Jesus is the Reason for the Season. Just because it's a fun song. And when I was a child, we loved singing this song in church. So it's a fun song I think you would enjoy. So let's go to this advent calendar. Day 23. It is one of the longer boxes. We have some more pens. So I have two of these. Let's see what they are listed as. Two wool pens with head colored with vegetable dyes. Fantastic pens that hold knitted pieces together while stitching the edges together. So for knitting. Yeah. So that's today, and then let's look at the chocolate advent calendar. We just have one more day after this of advent. And you see the poor poinsettia did not last. She tried. I tried. I am not good with plants, so let's see. Oh, this is what day 24 was. Oh no, we're day 23. I'm too far ahead. That's day 23. An egg. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.